Hi, I'm James Broyles, and this is Laura and Megan Broyles.
We have Lawton and Jaden as well, but Megan is our middle child, and she was born in June of 2001, and she was seemingly a typical, normal, healthy little girl until she was 5 months old, and then in December of 2001 she had her first seizure. Within 24 hours she had had 6 more seizures, and we were admitted to Children's Hospital in Knoxville. At that time, on December the 5th, we were given a diagnosis of a birth defect on the right frontal lobe of the brain. Our normal, healthy little girl went from a normal developing child back to an infant within 1 month. When she was 6 months of age, we were told to put her in a nursing home and forget we had a daughter. And James and I at that time decided that God had not given us this child for us to do that, and that we were going to give her the best life possible. So our journey began as a special needs family. We were involved at Manley Baptist Church at that time, and there was no special needs ministry. We went through 3 brain surgeries, 2 eye surgeries, and a fundoplication, which is a stomach surgery. Before her 3rd brain surgery in about 2004-2005, Darlene the Plu came to me and said, "How would you feel about being a pioneer family for our disability ministry at Manley?" And we had come into contact with many other families at this point who had kids with disabilities, and we were finding that it was very, very difficult to have a place for children with disabilities. We had heard stories where families were asked not to bring their child back because they didn't know what to do, and we were given stories where families were told that their children were just too disruptive in services and not to bring their children back to church, and so families were split. Of course, hearts were broken and faiths were tested. Also, the divorce rate for families with disability is about 85%, as well as that percentage, the statistics for families who would change their religion to find a church who would accept their child or sibling or spouse with a disability is about 80%. So as we went through the last brain surgery and Megan came back and was doing well, the disability ministry was beginning to be in full swing. At this point, there's about 6 or 8 kids who come and who participate in Megan's special needs class. Manley has opened their hearts and their minds to children and people with disabilities, and it means more than you could possibly know. Having a child with a disability is very difficult and sometimes easy to isolate yourself, and knowing that you're going to find a place of acceptance and encouragement, it makes it easier to take the extra effort to make it there on Sunday morning or Wednesday nights or to any of the special events that they have at the church.